Hello, my dear children. I hope you are all fine. We are here today to look at counting. And what are we going to count? We are going to count objects. We shall be counting objects. You remember the other time we looked at something to do with our numbers. We looked at our numbers, and now this time we are going to count objects. And on my table, I have so many objects here. For example, I have balls. These are balls. There are many balls of different colors. I can see orange. I can see blue. There are some blue balls. There are green balls, there are pink balls, yellow balls. There are many balls inside here. So we shall be counting balls. We also have cups. We are going to count objects, but we also have cups. We also have books here. We also have counters, counting sticks. They are here, and there are many of different colors. We also have markers. We also have markers. We have scissors. We shall also be counting scissors. There are many objects on my table. Now, we are going to be counting objects. So what we have on our board here today? We have counting objects. Everybody say, counting objects. Counting objects. Now, let's remind ourselves of the numbers first. Can we count together from 1 to 10? Just from 1 to 10. Can we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted from 1 to 10, but I know we can also go ahead and count from 10 to other numbers. But let's first remind ourselves of the numbers we looked at, and we shall first count from 1 to 10. Let's have an example. I will start with having a ball in my hands. How many balls are they? Looking at this, how many balls are they? Good, it is just one ball. It is just one ball. So I will write 1. I will write 1. And how do we write 1? 1 is written just like this. That is 1. It is one ball, so I will write 1. I will write 1, okay? But you can be told to count more. You can be told to count more. For example, let me look at this. These are my dusters. How many are they? Can we count together? 1, 2. They are 2 dusters. How do we write 2? We write 2 just like this. We write 2 just like that. Okay? What if I have cups? Let's count together. Let's count these together. 1, 2, and 3. How many cups do I have? We have 1, 2, and 3. They are 3 cups. How do we write 3? reminding ourselves, we write 3 like this. That is number 3. That is number 3. What if I have, let me check, let me use balls now again. Let me use balls again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count again. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4 balls. How do we write 4? We write 4 just like that. Very simple. We go to the next number. Let's go to the next number. You're going to count with me. 1, 2. These are markers. We are counting markers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They are 5 markers. How do we write 5? 5 is written just like this. Have you seen? That is number 5. Let's count again. Let's read these numbers, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you count your objects, you will have to write the number down. What is the next number after 5? The next number after 5 is, very good, it is 6. Let's count 6 objects. Can we count? Let's count the scissors. We have some pair of scissors here. Let's count together. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are 6. Let's count together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6. How do we write 6? 6 is written just like this. That is number 6. That is number 6. We continue. What is the next number after 6? It is 7. It is 7. Let's count more objects. Let's count more objects. I think this time let's use our counting sticks. I will count 7 of them. Please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are 7. There are 7 counting sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7. How do we write 7? 7 is written just like this. That is 7. That is 7. What is the next number after 8? After 7, I'm sorry, I have given you the answer. Okay, the next number is 8. Can we count 8 objects? What should we count now? What should we count now? Let me count colored pencils. 8 of them. We want to count 8 of them. Let's count together. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's count again. Let's count them again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So these are 8 colored pencils. They are 8 colored pencils. And how do we write 8? 8 is written just like this. That is number 8. What is the next number? Yes, I can see. The next number is 9. And let's count the 9 objects together. Let's count 9 objects together. What should we count now? Let me use pencils again. No, let me use books now because we have so many objects here. Let me use books now. Can you count with me? I want us to make 9 of them. Count with me. That is 1. I will count as I put down here. That is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had 9 books in my palms. So these are 9 books. We counted together. Can we count again together? We want to write 9. We want to count 9 objects. We counted books. Let's count again together. This is 1 book. I am holding 1 book in my right hand. So that is 1. I am counting as I put here. Let's count together again. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are 9 books. And how do we write 9? We write 9 just like this. That is number 9. Yes. What is the next number? Remember when we were looking at our numbers the other time? Moreover, we are just reminding ourselves because we did all this work in nursery. So what is the next number? The next number is 10. Let's count 10 objects. I think I will count balls again. I am going to count balls again. And I want you to count with me. I will use different colors of balls because I'm having so many here. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have counted 10 balls and I have put them just right here. I have put them just right here. I want us to count them again. Count with me. Count with me, everybody. Count with me, everybody. We are going to count our 10 balls and they're just right here. I hope everybody can see what is on my table. Let's count together. Let's count together. 1, 2. We are going to count again. Let's count again. Let's count again. Please count with me. Count with me, everybody. Yes. Let's count our balls. I will count as I put this side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have counted 10 balls. We have counted 10 balls. All these are 10. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 balls. And how do we write 10? I am going to write 10 just here. Everybody look at the board and find out how we write 10. 10 is written like this. It has, we start with 1 and then add 0. This is number 10. Number 10 has a 1 and a 0. That is number 10. That is number 10. So, we have counted objects. I did not draw anything for you on the board, but we counted as I was writing the numbers. Now, I have a chart that we are going to look at. We're going to look at our chart today.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. And Jill came tumbling after. And Jill came tumbling after. Jack and Jill both put up the will to make the crown funny. Home they walk and stick the broke with jelly, jam, and honey. With jelly, jam, and honey. With jelly, jam, and honey. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. And Jill came tumbling after. And Jill came tumbling after.
I have put my chart there. And what does it say? What does it say? Can we read together, class? Children, let's read together. Count and write. It is telling us to count and write. Everybody, let's read again. count and write. It says count and write. I am seeing so many pictures here. I am seeing so many pictures on my board, on my chart. Can we look at the pictures first? I am seeing a mango. These are cows. I am seeing cows. I can see some watches. I'm seeing houses next. Then there are books. Then there are some mugs or cups. There are some rabbits. Then there are eggs. There are some jugs here. And lastly, there are fans. You are supposed to count and write. We shall count these together and then we shall fill in the answers together. We shall fill in the answers together. I will leave you to fill in. I will not write for you because we already have the numbers. Just write there. Let's look at our objects. Let's count and then you write. The first one is, there's a mango here. How many mangoes are there? How many mangoes are there? Can we count together, children? We have 1. It is just 1. And on the right, number 1 was written. Number 1 was written to show that it is just 1 mango. Okay? Let's go to the next item. The next ones are cows. They are cows. Can we count together? Let's count the cows, please. 1, 2. How many cows are they? There are 2 cows. So how do we write number 2? Number 2 was written. I wrote it there for you, but for the next ones, you will have to write. We go to the next. There are watches. Can we count together, class? 1, 2, 3. Children, how many watches are they? They are 3. And you will write number 3 there. Is this number 3? Is that number 3? Is that number 3? Is this number 3? Is that number 3? You write number 3 just there. Okay? The next ones are houses. They are houses. Can we count them? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 4 houses. There are 4 houses. So you write number 4 just there. Then we have books. Can we count books together, class? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 was written for you. Okay? Let's go to the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You write it there. Rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many rabbits are there? You write the number there. Then we have the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8 was written there. The next are jugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 jugs. You write number 9. Then let's count the fans. Let's count the fans together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You write number 10. This is just simple. It is just a chart. It is our chart to look at. But I have an activity for you. An activity that you're going to write down in your books. And here is the activity. I want everybody to count the objects and you write. You count the objects and you write. So here is our activity. Our activity is just right here. Our activity is just right there. Very simple work. It is very simple work. What does it say? It still says count and write. You're going to count and write. You're counting and you're writing the number. After counting, you write the number. So we have balls. This time I'm not going to count with you. I will leave you to write the numbers to count alone and then you write. Let's look at the items we have. They are balls. I don't know how many they are. Count them and write. Then these are trees. There are many trees. You count and write the number. Count and write the number. This is where you're supposed to write the number. You write the number there. That is where you're supposed to write the number. That is where you're supposed to write the number. Please count and write the number. Please count and write the number. Then we have some chairs. I have the chairs here. Let's count the chairs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you imagine? Let's count again. I know some of you might not be able to see them so well. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You write the number there. Then we have some pumpkins here. Are they pumpkins, tomatoes, or what? We have some tomatoes here. Let's count them. No, you will count. Then we have some buckets. We have books. You count the books and write. We also have keys. You count them. We also have stools. And we also have a bench. You count and write the number. I am giving you some little time to count and write. And I am very sure you are all going to get everything correct. Take your time. Take your time. Count and write. Count and write. Take your time. You count and write. Very simple work. It is not good to dodge the teacher's work. So make sure you do the teacher's work. Good children never dodge the teacher's work. Take your time, count the objects and write. Have you finished, my children? Have you finished? Yes, I can see some people are through with the work. That is what we had today. That is what we had today. We have counted and we have written the numbers. And our activity also says count and write. We shall continue from here in our coming lesson. Thank you very much, good children.